He's been studying since 8 o'clock this morning.
Berikut ini satu hal lagi yang dikatakan oleh Ibu Chris kepadanya.
Chris, Lucia arrived an hour ago. She's been waiting for an hour.
Ungkapan
For an hour.
artinya selama 1 jam yang menunjukkan lamanya jangka waktu dan bukan saat mulainya.
She's been waiting for an hour. She's been waiting for an hour.
Coba ucapkan bagian demi bagian sesudah Mrs. Scott.
She's been waiting for an hour.
Dan sekarang kalimat selengkapnya.
She's been waiting for an hour.
Nah, sekarang coba ucapkan contoh-contoh berikut sesudah Mrs. Scott.
He's been studying for 2 hours. They've been waiting for an hour. He's been helping Chris for 3 hours.
Baiklah. Apakah sudah jelas bagi saudara kapan kita memakai kata for dan kapan kita gunakan kata since? Jangan lupa, since menunjukkan saat mulainya suatu jangka waktu, sedangkan for menunjukkan lamanya suatu jangka waktu.
She's been waiting for an hour. She's been waiting since 11 o'clock.
Mari kita berlatih memakai for dan since dengan the present perfect tense dalam bentuk ing. Saudara akan mendengar suatu kalimat, misalnya,
He started to work 2 hours ago.
dan karena ungkapan waktu dalam contoh tadi menunjukkan lamanya suatu jangka waktu, yaitu 2 jam hingga saat ini, maka saudara hendaknya mengatakan,
He's been working for 2 hours.
saudara juga akan mendengar kalimat seperti misalnya,
He started to work at 9 o'clock.
dan karena ungkapan waktu dalam kalimat tadi menunjukkan permulaan suatu jangka waktu yang berlangsung hingga saat ini, saudara hendaknya mengatakan,
He's been working since 9 o'clock.
nah, mari kita mulai. Jangan lupa mengulangi jawaban yang betul sesudah saudara mendengarnya. Siap, saudara-saudara?
She started to write 3 hours ago. She's been writing for 3 hours.
He started to study at 10 o'clock. He's been studying since 10 o'clock.
It started to rain half an hour ago. It's been raining for half an hour.
We started to talk at 11 o'clock. We've been talking since 11 o'clock.
Dan sekarang, Mrs. Scott akan mengakhiri latihan kita.
Well, the girls have been waiting long enough. Lucia's been waiting since breakfast time. And you boys have been practicing long enough. Don't forget the cinema. Now out you go. See you later.
Saudara pendengar, dalam latihan kita tentang pemakaian bentuk ing dari the present perfect tense, contoh-contoh yang kita gunakan selama ini mengandung jangka waktu yang agak pendek. Misalnya,
I've been waiting for an hour.
It's been raining since 6 o'clock this morning.
tentu saja tense ini dapat kita pakai dengan jangka waktu yang lebih lama. Coba dengarkan.
Ewan's been in Australia for 2 years, so he's been missing his family for 2 years.
Chris has been thinking about his trip for 3 months.
He's been learning Indonesian for a month.
That's right. I've been learning Indonesian for a month.
Coba dengarkan apa yang dikatakan Lucia yang menerangkan bahwa kakaknya sudah 3 tahun memakai kacamata.
My brother's been wearing glasses for 3 years.
Kadang-kadang, kegiatan atau kejadian yang digambarkan bersifat tetap, kadang-kadang terputus-putus, dan kadang-kadang merupakan kebiasaan. Tetapi yang penting ialah bahwa kegiatan atau kejadian itu bersifat terus-menerus atau sering diulangi. Kalau berhenti hanya untuk sebentar saja, dan kemudian kegiatan itu akan diteruskan kembali. Coba dengarkan beberapa contoh lagi.
She's been working in an office for 5 years. She's been travelling by bus for 5 years.
He's been studying engineering for 2 years. He's been attending university for 2 years.
Sekarang, coba ucapkan beberapa kalimat sesudah Chris. Siap, saudara-saudara?
She's been working in an office for 5 years. She's been travelling by bus for 5 years. He's been studying engineering for 2 years. He's been attending university for 2 years.
Baiklah, coba dengarkan beberapa contoh lagi.
My father smokes a lot. He smokes 20 cigarettes a day. He's been smoking for 20 years. And because he smokes, he coughs every morning. He's been coughing every morning for 20 years.
Kasihan Mr. Rossi. Dia mempunyai kebiasaan yang tidak begitu baik. Dia menghisap 20 batang rokok setiap hari, dan karena kebiasaan ini, dia selalu batuk tiap-tiap pagi.
He's been smoking for 20 years. And he's been coughing every morning for 20 years.
Berikut ini sebuah contoh lagi. Lucia sedang belajar main piano.
She's been learning for 2 years.
I've been learning the piano for 2 years.
Dia berlatih 2 kali seminggu pada waktu sore.
I have a lesson twice a week. I've been having lessons for 2 years.
She's been learning the piano for 2 years. She's been having lessons for 2 years.